going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the JooMoo Submarine Pump. Okay, this is not a sub pump. I know in their little description it says sub pump on there, but a sub pump is, you know, the pump where you have in the basement. It has a little float to it and the water goes up and, you know, it raises the float and then pump all the water out of your basement so your basement don't flood. Well, you could also use this submarine pump. Now, submarine pumps are good for emptying out water in the pool, or submarine pumps are good for emptying out water in a flooded basement. If you have a flooded basement, then a submarine pump is something that you might want in your arsenal. So yes, I do have another submarine pump that's in my my sub pump storage area. I keep that just so I can have like a little survival kit, you guys. When I started this channel, I had like a survival kit series, and maybe I might get back into that. So people that's new into homes and stuff, y'all know what y'all need to have as a survival kit. All right, so anyways, this pump does 1,100 gallons per hour. All right, now if you want to do all that, you just take 1,100 gallons per hour and then you divide it by, you know, how many minutes in the hour, then you know how many gallons you'll use per minute and all that stuff. So basically simple math, but if you're not good in simple math, then welcome to the club. All right, so here goes our pump instructions. Basic and simple, you guys. All right, we have this clear hose right here. So this is the hose that you can use if you want to discharge with the hose right here. All right, take this out the box. Let's see what this submarine pump is all about. All righty, it's a nice little pump. Here goes different attachments. Another thing is you could hook your garden hose up to this in case you need like something longer. You know, my garden hose is like, some of my garden hose is 100+ foot. So if you need to get rid of water and make sure it goes a longer distance away from your house, then a water hose might be your best bet. But they have a hose right here in which we could use this too. Don't really matter. So it fits on top of one of their connectors right here, and it's hard to get off. They have another big connector here. You will need a bigger hose, and then you have your garden hose connector right here. But this is nice. Got a little handle right here, so this is the bottom of it. You're gonna suck all that water out. They actually have a little hose here. You can actually hang this, you guys. This is pretty cool. You could hang this on a wall or something in your garage, and easy to grab. You know those little hoses that, you know, you just hang stuff. You put the screw here and then, you know, set it. You know what I'm talking about. So if you want to hook a garden hose up, you take your little connector here, put it on the top, and that's about it, you guys. We plug and play. That's how submersible pumps work. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, you guys, I have about, this thing looked like about 30 foot of wire. Well, not wire, extension cord. This is actually a plus, you guys, especially if you have a flooded basement. You definitely need a long wire. Well, extension cord. I don't know why I keep saying wire. Wire and sticks, it's all the same thing. I got the pump here. It's gonna be simple as this. You hook your female to your male. Got my garden hose. Now, my rain barrels have some algae in it, so we're just gonna live with it. Now, what you wanna do is put it where you got your flood, or put it where you have your water. So we're gonna push it in. All right. Now, I'm not gonna put it all the way to the ground because I'm not trying to suck up a lot of algae. I'm gonna have it like midway right now. I'm gonna use a garden hose so y'all can see it work with a garden hose. Usually I try to keep the rain barrels clean, but I kind of been a little lazy, so rain barrels is a little dirty. All right, now I'm going to hook up one of my sprinklers. Oh, my owl, my pet owl, you guys. If you haven't checked out that review, that's a pretty cool review. I have my Eden Quick Connect. If you haven't seen this, definitely on the channel. If I remember to put some links in the description so y'all can get into this Quick Connect. The only way for the pump to work is through the electrical power source. So we are going to turn it on and check it out. I'm gonna lift y'all up a little bit so y'all can see it in action. I have the power source right here. I'm gonna hook it up and there we go. It's just a regular submarine pump, you guys. So I'm just showing y'all, if y'all have like a little garden area, you can actually use this submarine pump to pump out some water. I am going to, right here is is actually at the 50-gallon mark. All right, right now it's 4:34. I will come back out just to double check to make sure and see how much this empties. Now it's 5 o'clock, and so basically in 30 minutes it took out 25 gallons. All right, you guys. So I know somebody probably gonna comment, why you got paper in there? Well, it fell in there and I didn't know it fell in there. So I'll get it out once I get some gloves and stuff. All right, but it pumped out. We was at the 50 gallons. Now we are at 25 gallons, and I don't even know what time it is. Hold on a second. All right, you guys. Now it's 5 o'clock, and so basically in 30 minutes it took out 25 gallons. All right, or almost 25 gallons in 30 minutes. Okay, everyone, so we are basically at the final review of our sub pump, or not really a sub pump, submarine pump. Now, once again, just to go ahead and hash this out, if you are a homeowner, it is important that you have one of these. Okay, you never know when you're going to have a flooded basement, or you never know when your sub pump will go haywire or go up and a plumber won't be available. Okay, so with that being said, this is used to pump out water. Okay, and it's like not really pressurized as like our little pump. You know, our little pump is pressurized. This pump is just used to like push out water, but it's not really high horsepower on it. Nice and easy to use. If you have a garden hose just laying around or an extra one, keep it in the basement. Keep this in the basement. Put it in your utility storage, because you never know when an accident will happen, water leak, anything, to avoid any floods. Or if you're just trying to move out water from your pool, this is a good product to have if you need to move water out of your pool. So yeah, so that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.